Hey, how's it going, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this video, we're opening up the two latest assortments of Tomica Diecast collectible cars from Walmart. We have a total of 10 Tomica cars here. 6 of them are from Wave 2, and 4 of them are from the new Wave 3. The latest set features the Nissan GTR Police Car, the Toyota Crown Athlete, the Mitsubishi Fuso Super Great, and the Suzuki Jimny. I picked up Wave 2 at Walmart, which includes the Subaru Impreza, Lexus RCF, Nissan Note, Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, the Toyota CHR, and the Animal Transporter with Panda Bears. Tomi was kind enough to send me the Wave 3 cars, so let's take a look at the features of these diecast collectible cars. Starting off here with my personal favorite car from Wave 3, number 105, it's the Nissan GTR Police Car. The Nissan GTR Police Car is clearly a pretty cool car. It has a glossy white and black paint job with police written on the side and rear, opening door on the driver's side, opening door on the passenger's side, black rims with working suspension, and a red siren on the roof. Our second car from Wave 3 is number 92, the Toyota Crown Athlete. What really stands out about this Toyota Crown Athlete is the color. It's a bright metallic pink paint job, a light interior to contrast that, aluminum wheels with working suspension, decent details on the front and rear, and it's overall a pretty nice car. Up next from the third mix, we have number 14, the Suzuki Jimny. The key features of the Suzuki Jimny include the bright fluorescent green paint job, the working suspension with off-roading wheels, and the extra wheel on the back for those crazy camping trips. The final car for Mix 3 is the Mitsubishi Fuso Super Great. Now, the Mitsubishi Fuso Super Great is a 6-wheeled semi-truck with a silvery metallic color, Tomica on the roof, and 2 Tomica crates probably full of teeny tiny cars. Now let's open up number 78 from Wave 2, the Subaru Impreza. The Impreza has a glossy red paint job, aluminum wheels with working suspension, good details on the back and front, but the best part of this car is the opening hood, where you can take a look at the engine inside of your Subaru. Here we have Tomica number 48, the Nissan Note. So the Nissan Note really shines in this metallic gold color. You can see the sparkle on the side, the e-Power logo toward the bottom. It has the wheels with working suspension, light blue accents on the front, taillights toward the back for an overall nice little compact. Let's take a look at number 94, the Toyota CHR. Now, this Toyota CHR has a 2-tone paint job. We have black on the top and silver metallic on the body, headlights, taillights, and Toyota logos, as well as working suspension, but also an opening trunk that makes this one a must-have car. One of the coolest cars from the second mix, number 13, the Lexus RCF. This Lexus RCF is definitely one of my favorites. It has the pearlescent white paint job, carbon fiber hood roof and spoiler, Lexus spindle front grille, aluminum trimmed black wheels. The doors open on both sides because this car is basically ready to rock and roll. On to the next vehicle from Wave 2, number 70, the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has plastic headlights and a Mitsubishi logo on a very detailed front end. Of course, it has the working suspension and even a trunk in the rear, which is very nice for this plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. And our last Tomica Diecast collectible car is number 3, the Animal Transporter. So it's pretty clear that the Animal Transporter is one of the most unique vehicles here. It's a white 6-wheeled semi-truck pulling a trailer of grass and bamboo with 3 panda bears, 2 of them sitting up and 1 of them is just chilling. There we have it, guys. Those are all 10 Tomica Diecast collectible cars from waves 2 and 3, and I highly recommend you guys pick these up at Walmart because the detail is incredible. A big thank you to Tomi for sending me wave 3, and if you guys want to see more unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.